When it comes to family, we only want the best. And the best means not worrying about the safety of the food we're eating or the water we drink. That's where U1 comes in. U1 represents the next evolution in water filtration. It's capable of removing just about everything, from heavy metal contaminants to bacteria, through its proprietary hydrogen and reverse osmosis filtration systems. After filtration, the water is hydrogen infused and remineralized to become alkaline and negative ORP, making it one of the most comprehensive water filters on the market. Reducing your dependence on bottled water also means a lower exposure to microplastics and fewer bottles in landfills, which is a win for yours and the environment's health. U1 operates similarly to a Keurig or Nespresso coffee maker. No messes, hoses, or installation required. Simply fill the tank, place it back on the system, and watch it filter a half a gallon of water in just 7 minutes. With an easy-to-navigate display and precise temperature control systems, your coffee and post-gym smoothie are just a push of a button away. Just select your water volume and temperature, hot, cold, or ambient, and the U1 goes to work. The newly added child safety lock on the hot water controls gives you peace of mind. And if you don't use all of the filtered water at once, a UV light keeps it fresh until you need it. Then, when you want to use it, you can check the purity with just a push of a button. Many water filters are cumbersome, with components that require constant changing. By comparison, U1's reverse osmosis membrane lasts approximately 2 years, and the filter's an average of 12 months. When it's time to change the filters, they're easy to access, quarter turn to remove, and drip-free design means you can just pull them out and set them on the counter, making U1's maintenance a hassle-free experience. We all want the best for ourselves, for our families, and for the environment. Let U1 bring the best into your life. Order now.